My welcome to all the students of Conceptual Orthopedics on this occasion of 5th anniversary of our launching of Conceptual Orthopedics. On such a great occasion, which is the most auspicious day in the history of Indian culture and society, Navaratri. So my best wishes to all of you on Navaratri for your good health and success. The basic objective and aim of this organization has been to deliver the whole discipline and to give the values for treating and healing your patients with your learning in the subject and the practical experience, which you learn through an offline and online activities in this Conceptual Orthopedics. You are learning this discipline in conceptual F online and offline experience in trauma and orthopedic diseases. And you have, in connection with the most experienced and learning teacher in orthopedics in our country. And we have always been delivering you the problem-based learning and the solving approach for understanding the care of your patients, which you will be practicing throughout your life. This has been done through the various teaching modules that we have put up in videos and interaction online with you all, as well as offline patient experience of examination, physical examination and history taking, with discussion on these topics with a association of learned teachers, because we believe that the learning through your eyes and hands are very important on understanding the problems of your patients. And of course, you have ample amounts of theoretical knowledge that has been imparted to you through the books that you have in the various evolving disciplines in orthopedics, which have been thoroughly reviewed and presented to you in a very comprehensive form. And I wish you go through those books as well as the videos that are available to you in this group. I will emphasize at this time that there is a great changing phase of medicine in all the fields, and the world discipline has evolved over a period of time very rapidly in recent times. Still, the art of healing, which is practiced through the history setting and the physical examination of your patients, cannot be replaced by these machines. Of course, these machines and the scientific advancements that are available to us for understanding the various diseases and treating them holistically are very important as well, but they cannot replace the beauty of your physical examination by your soft hands and understanding the various signs that the patients are available, which are available on the face, on the limbs and the spine of the patient as a whole, which will give you an understanding of what are the presentation of various disease while the disease is being evolved from its inception to a grown-up picture. So the experience and the faith that you evolve your patient is the most important for the healing of these problems, and understanding of these problems in your patient so that you are judicious while ordering for the machine and using the gadgets in your surgical work. So let the modern technologies which are available to us be used in the most appropriate and judicious manner to understand the orthopedic disease and to heal them in best of our efforts. Hence, the practical, that is, psychomotor skills are also very important. And in this direction, we are also giving you hands-on experience on various models in our innovative from time to time. And I wish that you take part in these activities more frequently and with full effort in this field. And I must emphasize that as a not let us relate these machines with our eyes and ears, and hands, and coordinate them that our clinical examination, the physical sign, and our evolving history of the patient do marry with the machine investigations that we obtain. If there is some discrepancy, we must always go back to our patient to understand the real problem and give the best of our benefit. I again extend my warm, heartiest wishes and blessings to all the young participating students of Conceptual Orthopedics to develop as good scientists and healers for the betterment of the society. All the best for your success in this career. Thank you so much.